In this video, I will show you how to use XE Money Transfer to send money to India. So first of all, you want to head over to their website. I'll leave a link to this page down in the description. Then for the destination country, set it to India. And here you send, for me it's euro, but just pick your currency. Now if you want to get your first transfer without fees, as you can see right here, then go and click on the link down in the description and then you will get that offer. Now just choose how much you would like to send. For example, if I want to send 150 euros, then I can enter that here and you will see how much your recipient will receive. Now the no fees only works over a specific amount, so you can just see how much that will be for you. But in terms of the payment methods, you don't have to pay any fees for that. So I'll say bank transfer and then you can click sign in and send. Now choose whether you are using it personally or as a business. I will go with personal, so enter your email and password. Then verify your email by entering the code that has been sent to your email address. Then here enter your country of residence and then you need to agree to their terms and conditions and click on continue. And then the final step to start sending the money is to enter your first and last name, then your date of birth and your phone number. Then just choose the currency you send, the recipient gets, and how much you expect to send per year. Then here enter your home address. And then they will create your account. Then they will ask if they can use your phone number to keep your account safe, so it will show the final digits of your phone number, so click on use this number. And then here enter the verification code that has been sent to that phone number. So then you have created your account. Now just click on send money. Then here for the destination country, just pick India if you want to send to India. Then click continue. Now enter your recipient details, how much you would like to send, the payment method, the delivery method, and all of that. And once you have done that, enter your recipient details, your payment details, and confirm the transfer. And then you have successfully sent the money to India. So again, if you want to get your first transfer without any fees, go and click on the link down in the description to get started with XE Money Transfer. Now you do need to meet certain requirements, but if you don't, then there is also no extra payment. So you can get started through the link in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.